everybody. It is July 1st, 2021, and I want to make something big. I want to make something big today. So my idea is to create a giant ice cream sandwich. I mean, look, it's summer. Who doesn't love ice cream sandwiches? So I'm going to go to the store really quick and I am going to get some brownie batter. I'm going to get some ice cream and I want to make this thing epically big. Yeah, I'm just, I'm in the mood for ice cream and chocolate and something cold and a tasty treat and something also easy. I'm super excited for this episode. I got this idea to try to make a giant ice cream sandwich. So I think it's gonna be, well, the idea I have is very, very simple. We just need 2 boxes of brownie mix, because one for the top, one for the bottom, and then a huge tub of vanilla ice cream or whatever floats your flavor. So I don't know how this is gonna exactly turn out, but my idea is that you could create a giant ice cream sandwich and then you could cut it up and make them share size, or you could all just grab a knife and just go after it all together. I don't know. We're just gonna get started with making the brownie mixes, which is just some water, some vegetable oil, a couple eggs, and we're gonna bake them, then we're gonna freeze them, then we're gonna assemble it. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but welcome aboard. Hopefully this is a fun little venture. Okay, before we even begin, I'm going to line these baking sheets with some tinfoil, parchment paper, whatever I can find, to make the removal process easy, because we don't want this to break. Okay, those are all lined and ready to go, so I'm going to make the brownie mixes together. So we're just gonna make one big brownie batch. Up. We need a half a cup of vegetable oil, so 1 cup of vegetable oil. We need to crack 4 eggs. And then we need 6 tablespoons of water. Now, typically I would use my mixer, which I could, but I want to be able to say I made these by hand. So this is what I mean by made by hand. Plus I was too lazy to go get the extension cord. Okay, I think that that's good. Now, typically you would make brownies in a deeper pan, but I'm going for size, not thickness. Now, I could have homemade the brownies. I could have, but I didn't want to risk messing it up. I wanted as many odds in my favor. Okay, into the oven for about 20 minutes. Right, these look good. For once, I think these are going to be more ice cream than brownie, but that's okay. I mean, like, on an ice cream sandwich, it is more ice cream than brownie, so maybe we're right on track. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the freezer and I'm gonna let them freeze for about 30 minutes. I think it worked, so we need to get these off the cookie sheets. Yes! Oh, it feels good to have a win for once. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, it worked! Guys, this is gonna be so amazing. We are legit going to use this entire tub of ice cream. Oh, that is freezing. Okay. So that is like the entire tub. Now this piece is smaller, so I'm not gonna go all the way out to the edges because, you know, I'm probably gonna end up trimming around it, but this is already like, this looks so cool. And super easy. It's really, I mean, like this could be a birthday cake. Okay, let's get this last piece up on here. Can you guys see this? How epic it is? Oh my gosh. This is insane. So now I'm gonna take a knife and just try to trim around it. Like, fingers crossed this works. Or maybe if I do, just like press it down and it will come to the edges now. Yes. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. I love it. Okay. So, clean up the edges. Just trimming away the bottom edges so it's even. So this is definitely not the cleanest project, but I think it looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up and put it back into the freezer, and then we'll put the finishing touches on it. Okay, this is probably the coolest thing I have made by far. Let's get it out of here. I don't even know what to like present it on. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool, so amazing. I've got some Carb Smart ice cream. I don't know if you're trying to watch your calories. Perfect. Yes. I'm so happy with it. Okay, so you know how ice cream sandwiches typically have like the holes? I'm just gonna try my luck. Oh yeah, it worked. We did it! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so amazing. Okay, I don't even know how we're gonna try this. On the back, sorry, you're not gonna get a close-up shot of this today, but all right. We have a piece of our giant ice cream sandwich. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. I know this is gonna taste amazing, but I'm in the mood for ice cream and chocolate and a tasty treat. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.